Hey guys, and welcome back to Star Stable. And I did my research, and basically on starstable.com it says that we need to do the quest with Maya. So yeah. I don't suppose you lost a horse. A big dappled girl, a draft horse I think. Sorry, I can't be more specific, but we don't see a lot of horses like that around here. Especially not ones with an attitude like that. She's so... You know what? You should probably just go check her out for yourself. See if you can find any leads about who she belongs to. I'd rather this get sorted before the boss finds out. We've got a lot of new arrivals here at the riding camp. Who don't know their way around horses the way you do. So it's sort of a liability thing. She's over at the dock on the beach just west of here. Okay. So let's go check that out. I missed the Moreland Championship, but I love still generally running it because you might see here. It's really fun because there's this where you have to jump from one cliff to another, and that's actually where I ended up finding her. Like the horse. It's a really pretty horse. So let's just get over there. And this is supposed to help our quest with the new circus. So yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, I didn't see that cactus. See, that's what I hate when you're running through bushes. She's supposed to be right there. So she's a North Swedish horse, and really pretty if you ask me. This must be the horse Maya was talking about. There's a note attached to the bridle. Property of the amazing Yordris. If found, please return to Lilmer's Highland along with any cargo, and you shall be rewarded handsomely. P.S. In case of stubbornness, use cookies. P.P.S. But not too many, no matter how much she begs. Okay. Oh, okay. I guess we're going. Whoa! The horse stops as you move. Okay. The horse stops as you move away from her. Get closer to Z to guide her back to her owner. Oh, her name is Z. Okay. How did that guy know that she would get lost? It's a bit coincidental, don't you think? She's pretty though. Or I think. It's weird that that the person, the owner, knew she'd get lost or something. Oh, or maybe it was that she was coming from somewhere. That from a boat or something, and she's like, yeah, please return her. Because she kind of went adventuring. I love how the mane is parted. I think that's really cute. It's kind of it's really cute how it's parted, the mane. There. And a shot of the parted mane. Nah. Okay. Here we go. Okay, where are you going? The horse stops as you move away from her. Oh, okay. Stop! Do not tell me who you are. The amazing Yidriz knows all. Oh, he has one blue eye and one brown eye. Just trying to get to riding club. Okay. I'm Yidris. Yidris the amazing, the magnificent, the phenomenal. Call me everything you wish as long as it's not ordinary. And you must be Simph, Josephine, Zariah, Emma? I must have a little psychic power after all. Okay, reputation with no one, good to know. A great fool once said, the noblest art is that of making others happy. That is just what I intend to do here in Jorvik. Make people happy. And who knows, perhaps someday the joy I bring can spread to the entire world. Wouldn't that be grand? How do I hope to spread my gospel of delight? By following the footsteps of the ephemeral fool with a circus. And what a circus it shall be! Magic, miracles, mischief. Your every dream will come true, and of course, this being Jorvik, there will be a special place for horses. But I cannot do it alone. That is why I sent dear Z on a very important mission. Did you find what I asked her, my four-legged friend? Nudge. Emma, if you would be so good as to open the box and place the contents on the pedestal there, I'll show you another good trick that I know. It's really cute how when that happens, there's like animations, like extra animations. Whoa. Use item. What item? Clown mask. Okay. Okay. That's what I thought. Okay, so. Oh, it doesn't say anything. Voila! A simple wooden mask. Masks are one of the most powerful forms in magic. They allow one to become someone else. They can render the wearer's true self invisible. So perhaps this mask is not so simple after all. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. Okay. Whoa! What the? Whoa. Okay. Okay. Zin. What a right proper fool you are. No wonder you're my favorite companion. Oh, is someone jealous? She seems a bit jealous. Of course, Z, you're also my favorite. We're all one big happy family of misfits. No need to be jealous. Sin, say hello to our new friend Emma, brought into our circle as if by destiny. Now, don't be shy. Yeah, okay. You know what this is about, boy? 'Cause I sure don't. Okay. No. Oh my god. He has weird names. Merci, my sweet. That's so funny because I'm actually French. It's so funny. Now that we are all properly introduced, let us get down to the brass tacks. The four of us are going to build a circus together. Actually, make that 5 of us. Guardian Rainbow is part of our family now, too. Don't be jealous, girl. First up, the big top. Emma, if you wouldn't mind pulling the tent out of the crate over there. It's not there, is it? Isn't it? It's not there, is it? Hold on. I know it's around here somewhere. Whoops. Well, one of those has to be the right one. Step to it, Emma. Find our tent. Okay, you heard the guy. Oh my god. You really did not do it simply, huh? Oh, well, this won't be too hard. This is like a race. Boom. 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 I think whatever box you do last is probably going to be it. Like, there might be one of those, like, star-stable tricks. There. That one, and that one, and that one. And these last big guys. Oh! Oh, it was that one, okay. Smoke and mirrors, conditions fulfilled. Where did the other boxes go? Smoke and mirrors, my little flea. But more importantly, we have our tent. Our big top is looking rather little. This won't do at all. Other friends are coming, many friends. Friends who require proper venue. Okay. Turning this humble bundle of cloth into our big top will make a true team effort. We'll need permits, begs, and poles. Z, you will help Guardian Rainbow hold logs to support our tent. Sing, you can prepare the rigging. Emma, is it clear you have a gift for opening boxes? Emma, it is clear you have a gift for opening boxes, so I want you to focus on that. I calculate that if we all work together, the circus will be ready in 6 days, no less. The work begins now. Must I do everything myself? Fine, but I'll remember this, your Leo boats. Emma, you might want to stand back. He can do magic and he expects us to do everything for him? Not how that works. I wish we could go in. Oh my god, that'd be awesome if we could. Magnifique. A perfect palace for wonders and delight, and there will be plenty of room for all of my friends when they arrive. You must be eager to see what mysteries lie inside our big top. Soon, my lovely, soon. There are a few more preparations to attend first. We don't get any reputation, and Guardian Rainbow barely gets any XP. Zing, would you be so kind as to fetch the... Zing? Where did my fool run off to? Oh my god. Stay calm, Zing. Emma will get you down. It's our job now. What were you thinking? What were you thinking? Do I have to, jump? We're good. Clown upside down. Perfect title. Don't want to break the tent, so running it over. Stop moving. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. What is wrong, little dove? Did my fool frighten you with his mask? It's merely a trick of the light. I would tell you more, but a magician never reveals his secrets. How is it that my horse is a bigger prankster than my clown? I suppose every family has its quirks. Someone needs to get poor Sink's mask back from Z. Since the two of you hit it off so well earlier, it should probably be you. Okay. Where? Oh my god. Is the horse wearing the mask? Did I understand that right? The horse is wearing the mask? Where? Oh god. Oh god. That dog is so cute. Okay. It was actually, I actually want to get down there 2 weeks when I have enough star points. Okay, where has this horse been? Yes, this horse over here. Are you here? Where did she run off to? Just please don't go all the way to the harvest counties. Oh my god, she's fast! Oh god. Oh, that actually... Oh, there you go. Are you wearing the mask? Nicker. Z reluctantly drops the mask. I should probably return this to Yidris. Easy has a big imagination, don't you? We should get my fool back in costume right away. The clown without his makeup is truly a frightening sight. Aw, don't be so mean. Now does everyone have their appearances sorted out? Guardian Rainbow is looking a bit long in the face, but I suppose that can't be helped. Let's get back to making that. Oh, don't worry, Guardian Rainbow. Don't listen to me. You just our big top is missing something. Of course, the cherry on top of our summer dream. The luminous sign to welcome my